Milo's misunderstood song. The storm passed, and the garden smelled of crushed mint and wet earth. Milo's red boots squelched in the mud. Then he saw them. 3 snails were sliding across a dripping leaf. Milo shivered. "You poor things, you're so cold and slimy. I bet you wish you were warm like me." He scooped them up. The stone wall was baking in the sun. "There, now you have a toasty, warm beach to lay on." The moisture on the shells began to sizzle. The snails bubbled and hissed. Milo's smile wavered. Grandpa? Come look. Are they singing?" Grandpa Ken hurried over. He didn't scold, he just pointed. "Touch the stone next to them, Milo. How does it feel?" Milo touched it and yanked his hand back. "Ouch! It's burning!" "They aren't singing, Grandpa. They're hurting." Milo ran them back to the damp shade. He watched until they slowly, carefully peeked out again. He let out a long breath. "I see you now. I really see you." The garden was happy again. The snails had their cool shade, and Milo had his warm sun. He realized that being a friend doesn't mean making everyone like you. It means liking them for who they are.